USA economic storm, rising inflation, interest rate hikes, and the shadow of recession. Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all doing well today. Grab your coffee or tea, get comfy, and yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This is your go-to spot for understanding what's really happening in the US, without all the confusing jargon. So let's just chat for a bit. Nothing too formal, just a casual look at what's been going on lately. Prices going up, some crazy headlines, little things in our daily lives that make us scratch our heads. Personally, I was in the supermarket the other day. Milk, eggs, bread. You feel that pinch too, right? All right, let's ease into the main topic. Why is the US economy shaking right now? After the post-COVID excitement, worry has started creeping in. The country is facing the highest inflation in decades. The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates aggressively, and there's talk of a possible recession looming ahead. Why is this happening? Well, it starts with pandemic stimulus. The government handed out trillions of dollars to households and businesses. People had money to spend, but production couldn't keep up. So high demand, low supply, prices shooting up everywhere. Then there's supply chain disruptions. Ports clogged, slowdowns in Asia delaying shipments, and don't forget the energy shock. The Russia-Ukraine war pushed oil prices higher, which rippled across everything. And how does this hit daily life? Food prices have jumped over 10%. Milk, eggs, bread, basics just cost more. Rent in major cities, up 15 to 25%. Many people feel owning a home is now almost impossible. Now, the Fed and interest rates. Jerome Powell and his team are raising rates aggressively to cool things down. As Powell said, "We will do whatever is necessary." Households and businesses may feel some pain, but it's the price to restore price stability. For people, this means mortgages have nearly doubled. Credit card and loan rates have jumped, making debt costlier. The US dollar is stronger, imports cheaper, exports pricier. Yeah, it's a lot to process. Experts say a soft landing is possible, but unlikely. Layoffs and reduced spending are probably coming. Big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, already tens of thousands of workers let go. Consumer confidence is dropping. Pandemic savings are running out. People spend less, companies earn less, layoffs rise, and it's a cycle that's hard to break. Politically, these economic issues are shaping the 2024 elections. Republicans criticize government spending, Democrats point to the pandemic, Russia, and opportunistic price increases. Globally, the US doesn't operate alone. China tensions, tech export limits, energy diplomacy, they all affect trade, costs, and stability. So what's the bottom line? The US is in a big economic storm. The Fed is trying to control inflation, companies are tightening belts, investors are seeking safety, and families face higher costs. Thanks for hanging out today. Seriously, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. We'll keep breaking down these complex events in a way that's simple, real, and relatable. And next time, we'll dive even deeper. Tech, lifestyle, and more. So, see you in the next episode. Grab your coffee, and let's keep chatting.